Ladies and gentlemen, Kolpino. Igor. Super. On 99.9%, not paying any taxes, so they don't want you to film. What's up, guys? This is Igor in Russia, and I'm in Kolpino city, a city which is part of St. Petersburg as an independent city. In this video, we're gonna explore the Russian life here in Kolpino. I'm gonna be filming like I usually do, just the real life without too much editing, just a glimpse into the Russian world as it is now. So welcome along. Hope you guys enjoy, and of course, subscribe to the channel, because you know you're gonna get nowhere else this kind of material, in good and bad. Let's go. First things we see is a monument to Lenin. Somebody is actually rowing over there. It says, "We are always the first." Not many people. Letter Z, which you're all familiar with, because it's probably well, if there's some administrative building or something like that, they have to hold it. It looks like a school or something, actually, or we can see a plaque over there. It means it's a city building. And here is the grand entrance to the center. An even bigger Z letter. Check it out. Yeah, theatrical concertne. All right, so this is a theater concert hall. Своих не бросаем. All right. The city is amazing. This place is amazing. Beautiful architecture. Lots of parks and. It's just amazing place. Wow, there's everywhere you look. There is trees and parks, etc. Hope you guys enjoy this place as much as I do. So it's a 30-minute drive by train drive from St. Petersburg. And the ticket cost me 100 rubles there and here and back. That means it's like it's 1.5 euros. Not bad to explore awesome places. So there we can see one of the churches. I wonder what's the name of it. I actually forgot to check out when I opened my camera. A smaller one and a bigger one, and actually a lot of people inside. I don't know if you can see that. This place is called, hold up, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, this is Saint Trinity, yes, Святой Троицы, and it has for some reason a Dreifaltigkeits Cathedral, German name. What the hell? Really nice. A lot of people inside, a lot of action here, and some dead flowers because it's hot. Alright, walking inside the courtyards. Found an abandoned building. Check it out. Lower floors are covered so people won't get in, but we can see inside there's the apartments, and it smells like an abandoned building. It would be cool to visit there, but it might be dangerous. And the city is preparing for the day of Kolpino with hundreds of flags, three color thing. Check it out. Really awesome. Look at that. It's just simply awesomeness. Ladies and gentlemen, Kolpino. So there's the alley of the road of Russian flags, and here's typical Soviet building, tall, kind of a shopping street beneath. on the first floor, you know. This is something that's very, very usual. And here's the city biblioteca, that's library. I'm not gonna go in, but we're gonna keep on walking. I think we're getting closer to the city center, because I've been on the outskirts of the city, which has been also quite pretty nice. The city is not a small city. There's like 10 years ago, 12 years ago, there was 140,000 residents. The city, St. Petersburg, has been growing rapidly, so it means that probably the city as well. A Russian flag on the library window. Russian flags on the streets, since they're preparing for the celebrations. But you can sense that the city is quite relaxed. The atmosphere is great. People I've met were positive, nice. I really enjoy it here. Maybe this is just me, maybe it doesn't transfer to the camera, but let it be known. It feels great. There's a beauty salon, Anastasia. Zoltavare Vet Center is how it's for the veterinarian center over here on the left. And this is a typical street. It reminds me in St. Petersburg near Chornaya Rechka, where I used to live. The same is like, not a boulevard, I don't know what you call that. Huge boulevard with old Soviet windows and good old window shopping. This place is closed. It used to be Pochta Rossiya, post office of Russia. Produkty. Man, it's great. This dude is having his chest out. He's a manly man, or he's just hot. Place for drunks to piss. But note, in Russia you don't see that much drunks at all, actually, since they don't allow you to cause any problems for citizens. This is something I would like to see elsewhere as well. I don't know why common people in Europe have to, just because some bum, some drug user, dangerous possibly, as if she has the same rights to cause a disturbance, just because people are shy to comment anything, or actually just throw people out. Check this out. What a huge place. Huge. I think we're getting closer to the center. I'm not sure what it is, and I don't really care. It's awesome even here. Do you know, common shops that we all familiar with, at least in Russia, Lenta, that's a shopping center over there, and that's the huge, normal sized buildings for St. Petersburg. That building is built in 2003 over there. Good transportation, that's for sure. And you know, the babushka is selling the stuff. We have, nothing for man. Here's Topki. And here is some finished stuff. riittää 25 viikkoa, you know. Lots of Finnish products. So she was selling that's Finnish products, you know. Let's check out the alley of babushkas. Something for the kitchen. Огурцы, some cucumbers, clothings. And you know, it's people actually buy stuff here. You can support some good old babushkas in that way. Plus, you can get whatever they're selling for the very decent or even cheap price. So it's the form of support / finding it for a good price. We are continuing on in what's the street name, by the way? I have to Google. The street here is Ulica Vjery Sputskoj. Let's check out this super small market in Kolpino. And that's a lot of arbuz. Можно ее заснять? Сколько? Я не видел никогда столько арбузов просто. Для Ютуба, для себя. Офигеть! Супер. Сладкие у вас? Да. Еду обратно в Питер, не могу нести. В Питер еду обратно, не могу с собой брать. Спасибо вам. So there's a lot of stuff. I've never seen so much arbuz, what you call arbuz. That's the watermelon, yes. Here are some pastries, usually from Caucasus. Smells great. And people don't want you to film because this is illegal. You know, it's not regulated in any way. There's some more market over there. You can buy stuff, and it continues sort of behind. Yes, we go around. So yeah, because they're actually not paying any, probably mostly on 99.9% not paying any taxes, so they don't want you to film unless it's they trust you, and I shouldn't be asking. I should just go and film. This is the best way to do in Russia. Otherwise, you're suspicious. For many, not everybody.